First of all, thank you all for that first 1000 subscribers, and I never thought that I can achieve at least 100 subscribers. This channel is in English, and I have never thought that you people will appreciate and accept my videos in English. Some of the subscribers here are from my previous tech channel, that is Electrical Malayalam. That was the first thing that motivated me to make more and more videos here, and this is my first achievement. The next thing that I need to pass through is 4000 watch hour, and for that I need to create, I think must be 50 or 100 videos more to reach that milestone, and I believe that your guys will help me reach that goal. And the main thing is we need to know if our ideas, we are from Kerala, right? So if our ideas are shared to the world, and this English, the language is a worldwide language, so most of the people can understand whatever if it is in English, so we can understand what the world think about our ideas and our perspective about creating some of these simple audio systems, and our own thoughts and ideas about the creative side of an audio system. So let us see what will happen in future, what will be the reaction from the world to our ideas, right? And there is a giveaway on my channel, that is Electrical Malayalam, and the giveaway, one of the giveaway is this woofer, and this is for the first person that will be selected in the giveaway, and there are 3 more items in that giveaway for second, third, and so on. That channel is about to reach 200,000 subscribers. So after reaching that 200,000 subscribers, we will conduct the giveaway on that channel. So if you're interested, if you know Malayalam, and if you haven't seen my channel, my previous channel, then please check the description below. I have given the link. Go and check those videos, and if you found it informative or interesting, then please subscribe to that channel also. And once again, thank you all for that support and love. See you in the next video.